Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting releases of the year, the Samsung S24 Ultra. We're going to cover everything you need to know about this flagship smartphone, from its sleek design and powerful performance to its impressive camera system and cutting-edge software. So, let's get started. 1. Introduction. Before we jump into the details, let's set the stage. The Samsung S24 Ultra is Samsung's latest flagship device, promising to deliver top-of-the-line features and performance. But what makes it stand out from the crowd? Stick around as we break down every aspect of this device. 2. Design and build quality. 2.1 Physical design ***. First up, let's talk about the design. The Samsung S24 Ultra features a premium build with a glass back and aluminum frame. It measures 163.3 x 77.9 x 8.6 millimeters and weighs around 2. The phone's design is sleek with curved edges that give it a modern, high-end feel. One of the standout features is the camera module on the back, which integrates seamlessly into the design. The phone is available in several colors, including Phantom Black, Burgundy, and Silver, each offering a sophisticated look. 2. To display technology. Moving on to the display, the S24 Ultra boasts a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels. This screen supports a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+, making it perfect for smooth scrolling and vibrant media consumption. The display is one of the best on the market, offering excellent color accuracy, deep blacks, and bright whites. Whether you're watching movies or gaming, the experience is immersive and stunning. 2.3 Build quality and durability. The S24 Ultra is built to last. It features IP68 water and dust resistance, so it can handle accidental spills and dust without any issues. The front and back are protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3, which provides excellent scratch resistance and durability. 2. For color options and customization. Samsung offers several color options for the S24 Ultra, and you can customize your device with various themes and wallpapers to suit your style. This level of personalization helps you make the phone truly your own. 3. Performance, 3.1 processor and hardware. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chipset is designed for high performance and efficiency, making it perfect for demanding tasks. We tested the phone's performance with various benchmarks, and it scored exceptionally well. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 handles multitasking, gaming, and productivity with ease. 3.2 Memory and storage. The device offers up to 12 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. 3.3 Benchmark results. Our benchmarks show that the S24 Ultra performs at the top of its class with excellent scores in both CPU and GPU tests. This translates to a fast and responsive experience no matter what you're doing. 3. For thermal management. Thermal management is crucial for performance, and the S24 Ultra excels here. The device features an advanced cooling system that keeps temperatures in check even during intensive use. 4. Camera system, main camera specifications. Let's dive into the camera system. The S24 Ultra is equipped with a 200MP main sensor, which captures incredible detail and color accuracy. This high-resolution sensor is complemented by a 12MP ultra-wide lens and advanced zoom capabilities, allowing you to capture a wide range of scenes and subjects. Ultra-wide and zoom lenses. The 12MP ultra-wide lens offers a 120-degree field of view, making it perfect for landscape and group shots. The zoom capabilities include both optical and digital zoom, enabling you to get closer to your subject without losing detail. Low light performance. In low light conditions, the S24 Ultra performs exceptionally well. Thanks to advanced night mode technology and improved sensor sensitivity, you can capture clear and vibrant photos even in challenging lighting. Camera software and features. The camera software includes a range of features such as AI enhancements, Pro mode, and various shooting modes like Super Steady and Single Take. These features give you greater control and flexibility when capturing photos and videos. Asterisk sample photos and videos asterisk. We've put the S24 Ultra's camera to the test with a variety of photos and videos. Here are some of the highlights showcasing the camera's capabilities in different scenarios. L5. Software and user interface. Operating system. The S24 Ultra runs on Samsung's One UI 6.0, which is built on Android 14. This latest version of One UI brings new features and enhancements to improve the user experience. Customization options. One of the best things about One UI is its customization options. You can change themes, icons, and widgets to personalize your device according to your preferences. Performance and stability. One UI 6.0 is designed to be smooth and responsive with minimal bloatware and regular updates. The system performs well and provides a stable experience for everyday use. Unique features and applications. The software also includes unique features like Samsung DeX, which allows you to use your phone as a desktop computer, and Samsung Knox for enhanced security. 6. Battery life and charging. 6.1 battery capacity. The S24 Ultra comes with a 5,000 mAh battery, which provides ample power to get through a full day of heavy use. 6.2 battery performance. In real-world usage, the battery life is impressive. You can expect all-day battery life with regular use, including streaming, browsing, and gaming. 6.3 charging speed and technology. Charging is quick with support for 45 West wired charging, 15 West wireless charging, and 5 West reverse wireless charging. The phone charges up rapidly, so you can spend less time waiting and more time using your device. 7. Connectivity and additional features. 7.1 connectivity options. The S24 Ultra supports 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC. These options ensure fast and reliable connections for all your networking needs. The audio experience on the S24 Ultra is excellent, with stereo speakers that deliver clear and powerful sound. The phone also supports high-resolution audio for an enhanced listening experience. 7.3 security features. Security is a top priority, and the S24 Ultra includes features like an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and facial recognition for secure unlocking. Samsung Knox also provides robust security for your data. 7. For additional sensors and capabilities. The phone includes various sensors such as an accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and barometer. These sensors enhance the overall functionality of the device. 8. Comparison with competitors. 8.1 Comparison with previous models. Let's see how the S24 Ultra compares to its predecessors. Compared to the S23 Ultra, the S24 Ultra offers improved performance, a better camera system, and enhanced battery life. 8.2 Comparison with other flagship smartphones. How does the S24 Ultra stack up against other flagship devices like the iPhone 15 Pro and the Google Pixel 8 Pro? We'll compare performance, camera capabilities, and features to see how Samsung's latest offering measures up. 9. User experience and final thoughts. 9.1 User feedback. We've gathered feedback from users who've been using the S24 Ultra, and the response has been overwhelmingly positive. People appreciate the phone's performance, display quality, and camera capabilities. 9.2 Pros and cons. To sum it up, here are the pros and cons of the Samsung S24 Ultra. On the plus side, you get top-notch performance, a fantastic display, and an impressive camera system. On the downside, the phone is quite expensive and it may be a bit bulky for some users. 9.3 final recommendation. Overall, the Samsung S24 Ultra is an exceptional device that delivers on all fronts. If you're looking for a high-performance flagship with cutting-edge features, this is definitely a top contender. 10. Conclusion, ***, 10.1. Summary, ****, that wraps up our in-depth look at the Samsung S24 Ultra. We've covered its design, performance, camera, software, and more. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what this device has to offer. 10.2 Call to action. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and updates. Also, let us know in the comments what you think about the S24 Ultra or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.